ain't eating my work food.
Friend, I ain't know this
You
was
know
your
that's my
food.
work food.
You know.
I said, don't eat my
this the keto?
keto lasagna.
I thought you said lasagna.
Because
Keto
it
lasagna.
don't
never
no
had
pasta in there.
Ain't no pasta
That's,
in here.
that's how you know.
Ain't no keto.
But you ate it.
Keto
You
means
see
what?
it's lasagna. You see the cheese. You see
This-
everything that in there. The meat, the
Friend,
sauce.
I didn't want to interrupt you. I was like, oh, she pray for me. And my bad.
Come on. Eat the gourmet popcorn. I told you that is my popcorn. That's what I'm supposed to be eating. That's the secret. You ain't trying to lose no weight. You keep eating up my stuff.